This is a sink net, so you can dump food into it when cleaning the dishes so you don't clog your drain. This is container for happy and tomatoes that create an airtight seal to keep it super fresh. And it has a stretchy lid, so you can fit any size of tomato in there. This is meat tenderizer that pokes tiny little holes in your meat, which breaks up muscle fibers and then makes your food taste way better and more tender. This microwave device helps you cook 76% better than ever. Just place it over your food, fill the reservoir with water, and let it steam your meal, locking in moisture for a tastier result. It also prevents splatters, keeping your microwave clean. The Crazy Susan organizer rotates a full 360 degrees, making it super easy to access everything. This is stainless steel cleaner that you just have to get wet. And then, because of the different fabric material, it'll easily clean up your appliances. So you have to use those weird smell and white. This is a zester that has a spring-activated release, so it's easy to clean. It also helps you get more zest out of your lemons in love. This is cheese grater that grates cheese and other things so fast and easy. This is tiny trash can attachment that will make sure you always have a replacement bag available when you need it. Plus, it comes with 3-bag refill for $5. And this is plug and pot that allows you to cook food wherever you can find a plug.